Hello friends, welcome to our channel Amazon Lover 13. Today we have an exciting lineup of footwear for you. We will explore everything from adorable baby shoes to stylish casual options, professional office shoes and glamorous wedding footwear. But before we dive in, don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more fantastic content like this. Now let's start with a little one. Baby shoes are not only cute but also essential for their tiny feet. We'll show you some adorable and comfortable options that will keep your little bundle of joy both stylish and cozy. Moving on to casual shoes, we have a wide range of trendy sneakers, comfortable loafer and classic canvas shoes. Whether you are out for a stroll in the park or running errands, we have a perfect pair to match your style.